Has your fingerprint option disappeared or gone missing from the settings on your Android device? This can happen due to a software issue, or even if your phone was accidentally dropped. Don't worry, no matter the reason, restoring your fingerprint security is usually simple, unless there is a serious hardware problem. First, you need to check whether the issue is hardware related. Open Settings, go to About Phone, then tap All Specs. Tap on the kernel version multiple times. Scroll down and find Fingerprint Sensor Check, then open it. Before testing, make sure to remove any password or lock from your device. Tap Enroll, and place your finger on the sensor to begin the test. If the test fails, it likely means there is a hardware issue. However, before visiting a service center, you can try a few fixes. Go to Settings, scroll down to Apps, and tap Manage Apps. Tap the three dots and select Show All Apps. Search for Fingerprint, then clear the cache and data for all related fingerprint services. After that, restart your device. Once it turns back on, go to Settings, then Passwords and Security, tap Fingerprint, draw your pattern, and set it up again. If you still face issues or cannot find the fingerprint option, let me know in the comments section. Thanks for watching.